Today we're looking at a 185 ALLIS-CHALMERS. This tractor is just traded in. It's been all redone. If you're ever wondering what one of these looked like new, this is probably about as close as you're going to get without going back in time. We've got 3-point hitch, 2 sets of rear hydraulics, year-round cab, Firestone 18430 tires, diesel engine. Got the weight bracket up front. This cab has all been redone as well. Look in here. Got the radio in the back. A nice interior all redone. Nicely painted. Decals still all in place. Heat controls. Pretty nice tractor.